Alam nyo guys, bukod sa kakaibang ganda ni Alexie, marami talagang, alam nyo yun, alaming ampalaya dahil sa matalino ang lola nyo. Bukod sa maganda, matalino pa. Oo, sa Q&A nyo ko, naku talaga. Kita-kita na lang sa final. Pakinggan nyo yung mga sagot niya dito sa interview niya. Oo, kaya marami talaga ang ayaw sa kanya kasi nga ang lola nyo, palaban, matalino na, maganda pa. O, pakinggan nyo yung Q&A niya ha. Bongga, katriyaw na din.
Just knowing that, I'm making my dreams come true. So when I'm here, you only have two choices. It's either you be nervous or you enjoy the moment. And I'm enjoying the moment.
Since your competition, you've been blowing up social media. Grabe ha. What's your reaction towards the reception of the pageant fans?
Well, it was actually quite unexpected. I really don't know what was happening. I just woke up one day and it was like all over the internet. But then somehow I felt like it was a good platform for me also to, spread my advocacy, especially Avansi Babae. So I feel like it's really a responsibility for me and I'll make sure that I'll deliver more than my best for this pageant.
Anyone from the girls you think you will connect easily, or do you think will be your best friend throughout the competition?
I mean, I'm a very responsive girl and I love to hang out with everyone. Like earlier, I just got in there and almost everyone was my friend. So I don't think I have any problem with, who am I going to be friends with. Especially we Ilonggos, we're known for being malambing or, so that just really goes with our blood. We're just really very, very friendly.
Have you spoken with Revia, or has she given any tips or advice?
Well, me and Rabia are actually friends like way back 6 years ago. Ever since we were friends. So she's always been my manang or my ate. And I'm so glad that I have someone like her na parang who's there supporting me. So it's really an honor at the same time. And I'm very grateful for Manang Rabia. What do you see when you look in the mirror? I think I see a courageous woman, knowing that where I went through, life really tested me so much. And every time I look at myself in the mirror, when I see myself in the mirror, I only see someone who's black with a short hair. Right now, when I see myself in the mirror, I see someone strong, resilient, courageous, and empowered. And I think that's the right vision that I need.
Mukbang talaga niya.
O diba, yung mapapagano'n ka na lang talaga. Alam mo yung makinig ka talaga sa kanya kasi nga gawin na magsalita siya. Alam mo yung talagang may kahit kang makinig. So, alam nyo na guys. Oo, so support tayo kay Alexie.